Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the pathogenesis of the influenza virus and how exactly it manages to make people so sick. Influenza, as it turns out, has evolved a number of mechanisms to sneak past the immune system's defenses and create problems for its hosts. These problems start at the first stages of an influenza infection, when the virus has to get its genetic material inside the host cell. Here, the viral proteins HA and NA, I have indicated HA in red and NA in blue, are key. HA binds to the sialic acids on the host cell membrane, which then allows the envelope membrane of the virus to fuse with the membrane of the host cell. The first part of the mission is now accomplished. The virus has successfully gotten its genetic material into the host cell, so it kind of will be inside the host cell. Later, when the new viruses are released from the host cell, so it replicates inside the cell. Later, when the new viruses are released, the NA protein, which I will show in blue, is tethered to the sialic acid. The NA protein cuts this tether, allowing the new viruses to successfully bud off and spread throughout the rest of the body. However, one of the factors that makes the flu so deadly occurs past the stage of initial infection. The host's immune system doesn't intend to take this insult lying down. Instead, it fights back, releasing NK immune cells that target and kill influenza cells, and cytokines, shown here in gray, in hopes of killing the invader. However, key to the successful pathogenesis of influenza is the ability to turn these defenses against the host. The over-recruitment of cytokines, for example, can lead to a cytokine storm, which is shown here by the excess of these gray dots all around the area surrounding the epithelial cell that has been infected, which can cause lesions in the lungs, death of endothelial cells, alveolar flooding, and respiratory distress, consequences which can be fatal in some cases. In fact, reduced CCR2 receptors on the host macrophage immune cells that bind cytokines may help increase survival by mediating the cytokine storm. In addition, the virus can escape detection by NK cells by rearranging the MHC1 receptors on the host cell so that the immune system doesn't detect the virus's presence. It can also alter the structure of its own HA protein, surprising the immune system, and even infect the NK cell itself. Therefore, in the case of influenza, viral infection is only the beginning. The devastating symptoms that can result from an influenza infection are often the body's own defenses weaponized. In this video, I have shown how the flu virus comes to infect and damage tissue in the lungs and respiratory tract of a human host. Thank you very much for watching.